This is my drawing of Cristiano Ronaldo, and today I'll guide you through all the steps so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen or pencil and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left, from the very top in the middle, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, then bend that back up towards the top. Now I'm going to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle. We're going to bring this in towards the middle, and then back out. And we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Let's go up above the eyes and draw in the eyebrows. We're going to start on the outside. We want to curve this up and then down on the inside, then line it up on the right. Now let's add some thickness to the eyebrows. Starting back on the outside, we go up higher in the middle and then pull that down towards a point. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the bottom of the nose. Starting on the left, curve this down and bend that up. Move up in the middle, draw a short curve across the bridge of the nose. Now we're going to move down and draw in the mouth. Starting back on the left, curve this down and then up. Add a bracket on the ends. Now we're going to open up the mouth. Starting back on the left, curve this down and then up. Let's move down, draw a short curve for the lower lip. Now that we've drawn the face, let's draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, we're going to step out, curve the head, coming down, pull this in underneath the chin, and then up on the right. Kind of like drawing a half circle. Now I want to pull the side of the hair coming up and in around the eyebrows. Go up, bend that in. Now it's going to curve this out and then in towards the top of the hairline. Let's bend this in and then down towards a center point. Let's go to the side of the head and draw in the ears. We're going to start on the left side. We're going to bend this up, round out the ear, and then pull that in towards the side of the head. And then we'll add a fold across the top of the ears. And then on the inside, we're going to add a hook. Now from here, we're going to draw the top center of the hair. Let's start from this point. We're going to bend this up and then out. Curve this up toward the top of the head. Come all the way around. It's going to bend this down toward the top right point. Let's draw the side of the hair. From this point, step in, curve out, down, and then in on top of the ear. Now I want to add some texture in that center area of the hair. We're going to connect this point to the center with a curve. We're going to go up, and then bend that down, step up towards the top of the head, add another curve, coming down, then add one more on the right. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We're going to start on the left side, just underneath the head, curves down, and up. Now let's trace that collar along the outside. From the collar, step out, want to curve the body, going out and then down towards the hip on the left and right side, coming down towards the same height. And then connect the ends with a curve. Let's add the number 7 in the center of the body. Start from the left, going across, and this down towards the middle. Now I want to add some thickness. Flatten off the left side, come across, down, and then close that off. Let's draw in the arms, halfway between the chin and the hip. So starting right here, we're going to bend the arm, go out and then down towards the wrist. Then from the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a small bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and bend that around that bracket. Go to the side, curve the second finger going around and up. And then the third finger, we're going to bend this all the way around the arm and just curve this in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Let's separate the cuff from the top of the thumb, then it's up and then out. And we'll step up and draw them again. Now we're going to add a band across the top of the right arm, so starting up here, then it's up and then out. Step down and draw that again. Now we're going to go back to the center of the body, step all the way down. We're going to add a curve in between the legs. Leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right from the top, go out and then down towards the same height. And then you want to curve the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, then it's down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We want to curve the foot, almost like drawing a half circle, going up, then it's down, aiming towards the heel, and then curl that up towards the inside of the leg. And we're going to separate the bottom of the foot. Let's take this curve, step up, and trace that across for the sole. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go all the way up towards the top of the foot. We're going to draw the tongue of the shoe. We're going to go up and then bend that down like a half oval. And then go up to the hips, draw the outside leg, going out and then down. In the center of the leg, let's add a curve for the sock. And we leave a small gap and draw that same curve for the bottom of the shorts. Let's finish off by adding a small number 7 on the right side of the shorts. Again, just repeating the same steps. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Cristiano Ronaldo. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.